All right, so this is number 11. My phone is running low on battery, so I don't have a flash. So hopefully you guys can see this okay. All right, so they ask you to find the average rate of change for each one of these functions, and then they ask you to order them. So this one was a good one because it had one of each type of question. So the first one, I'm trying my best here, so no shadow, had a graph. So if you look at the graph, it's really hard to read, but if you look at f of -1, it's at 8. And if you look at f of 3, it's at -12. So we have -12 minus 8 over 3 minus a -1. So that's -20 over 4, which is -5. Okay. Next was the table. So the table had -1 goes with 16 and 2 goes with 8. So 16 minus 8. This was g of x. Let's just keep track. -1 minus 3. So this is 8 over -4, which gives us -2. And then the last one, which was h of x. Let me rewrite it so we can see it better. -x squared plus 2x plus 24. Okay, that one we can use our calculator for. So when we type it into our calculator in y equals, and we go to the table, -1 goes with 21, and 3 goes with 21. So we have 21 minus 21 over -1 minus 3. So we have 0 over -4, which is 0. All right, so when you order these, you have to be careful because it appears as h of x has the greatest rate of change because 0 is bigger than -2, which is bigger than -5, but the negative is just telling you that it's decreasing. So the f actually has the largest rate of change. So let's see how they put these inequalities. The f has the biggest, so the f has to be the largest. The g has the second largest. And the smallest rate of change is the h. All right, so I hope that answered your questions. A couple other questions I got. Let's see. Adrian wants to know when we're going back to school. I wish I could answer that question for you. I hope soon. And Marcus is curious about the regencies, and that we should know by the end of this week. Carolyn, I miss you too. Oh, B-Pro, there's plenty of real-world questions. You'll see on the homework tonight that we have a bunch of real-world applications. And Autumn was so sweet. She wanted to know how my family was. I miss you all and hope to see you guys soon. And I'm hoping this is not too stressful for you guys.